Okay, I'm going to make you a quick tutorial on how to make a link in WordPress. We want to, for example, link Sanro's Blue Kernel to his actual page. To do that, we first have to select all the text we want to have linked, which in this case is all of it. Go up here to this link button, which might show up down in this area, or it might show up here depending on what you have told WordPress you prefer. I like it better at the top, otherwise it seems to get in the way. Then this nice little box shows up and it says search or type the URL. If you're going to an external link on somebody else's website, you're going to copy and paste the address in right here. But what we want to do in this case is just find kernel's internal page. I'm just going to type kernel, see what my choices are. Give it a second and it comes up with a whole bunch of choices, and you want to make sure you get the right one. So in this example, I'm looking for a stallion page. I want to see stallions right here in the URL instead of horses for sale. That's going to be one of his colts. Sold horses, also one of his colts. I want this one. I'm going to click on it. That's all there is to it.